Okay, so hello everybody. Today I'm going to present about my project, which is Japanese government scholarship preparation, or as you can see, it's shortened as mixed preparations. Today I'm Mark, Yushuan Pilot Vanit, going to present about the project. Yeah, so that gets into it. Okay, so first of all, I have to tell you guys that uh, this term presentation might be a bit weird because due to coronavirus, so we cannot uh, make an presentations like how we used to do. So today I record the video instead, and okay, so let's see. Okay, so why am I doing this project? The fact is that the last 2 years, like 2 years ago, I went to Japan. I went to the Japan company for the field study and internship. I have seen a lot of cool and unique machines. Yeah, they're really cool. And then I realized that I don't know any of them, like, don't know any of them at all. They can do a cool project, they can make a lot of products, cool stuff, but I want to use it too. But I don't know any of it, which means I cannot use any of it. And I want to know what are they. I want to learn how to use them. So that's how come I begin to learn how to use SolidWorks. So now I can use 3D printers and laser cutter for making a basic 3D stuff and cutting woods, cutting acrylics and more stuff. But still, as you can see, what I have seen before is like there's a lot of another machines. I want to learn how to use them too, not just 3D print or laser cutter. So yeah, now I want to learn how to use the other machines, which means I need more knowledge about CAD and CAM engineer. I need to learn how to use them. I don't even know what are they. So how can I get this knowledge from? Of course I can get this knowledge from the university. So I want to get into the university in Japan. Okay, so here is my plan. I want to get into the university in Japan. But why does it have to be the university in Japan? And why does it have to be a scholarship? Why do I even need a scholarship? Okay, so first of all, for the mixed scholarship or Japanese government scholarship, they pay everything you have to pay. You don't have to pay for anything. And they even give you a money for studying. It's like they hire you to study, just study for them, and that's all they ask for. And you don't have to do anything in return. Also, they have a specific major that I'm interested about, which is CAD and CAM engineer, as you can see on the screen right now. So there's no reason I don't want to go there with this scholarship. Okay, so it's like a win-win anyway. And now, as you can see, that it's just a win-win. You don't have to lose anything. That means there's a lot of people want this scholarship too. So there's a lot of people want to get this scholarship, and they don't accept much people, as you can see from the chart in the screen. Okay, so the percentage you could get the scholarship is like 0.2 percentage. And if you compare the knowledge as equipment, you can see that students from other school or the popular schools such as Suan Kulab or Mahidol or wherever, like the popular high school in Thailand, they probably have a best weapon, they have a cool armor. Why I have nothing? I don't have anything, I just have it. All I have is stick. Because, this school is a project based learning, which means they don't teach what you're supposed to know for the past 2 years. Like, I mean, they teach what you're supposed to know, but they don't teach as much as what other school do. And now compare my knowledge to them, I'm so much more stupid than them. That yeah, I think I can say. So what I need to do is that I need to learn a lot more stuff, so I could get a good weapons, good armor like them too. Okay. So the first time I print out the exam, I look into the exam, then I realized that I don't know anything about it, like what formula I have to use, or like what even the symbol, like what even in the world is that symbol is, like integrate or calculus stuff. At first I don't even know what are they, so I have to learn about what are those stuff, what how can I, like how am I supposed to solve those problem. Okay, so now I'm basically learn how to do math and physics from what other people have already learned for the past 3 years. And when the time I realized I have to learn this stuff, it's like I have only 8 months left. So basically I have to learn what other people already have learned for 3 years within 8 months from now. Yeah. So about the progress, I used to be a extremely lazy person, like really, really lazy. But when I realized I have 8 months left, so there's no more free time for me. Any free time for me is a study time for now. It's like no more vacations, no more weekends, no more gaming time. All of those time became like study time for calculus, for math, for physics, or whatever I need to study. Okay, so far what have I learned? These are the stuff I have to learn in math, and there's a lot more stuff I have to learn in the physics. So what I have learned so far, I have learned all this stuff already, and about the time, I have learned this stuff within 4 months. So basically, I have learned what other people need to learn for 2 or 3 years within 4 months, which is ahead my plan, and that's pretty cool. And what I'm working on now is the calculus. Now, the Japanese government scholarship exam, they not only requires high school level knowledge, but they also requires university level knowledge to solve some of the questions too. So what I'm learning now is the calculus 1, which is a university level calculus. And the book I'm using now is the calculus 1 from Chulalongkorn University, which is highly recommend because they are not only telling you what formula you have to use in each questions, but also they tell you like why you have to use it. They prove why these formula works too. Okay, so that's really cool books. I will put a picture of the book in the comment sections later. Okay, so what I'm learning now is that I have to learn about chain rules, I have to learn about integrate by parts, and I have to learn the advanced use of the calculus too, because I can use it with the physics too, not only for math. Okay, so that's it about my project. And about my final product, what I'm working on now is that I'm making a small notebooks, which as you can see, it includes most of the formula that necessary for the MEC scholarship. So I will put the formula I write down in this notebook within the comment sections too. So I hope you are looking forward for it. Okay, so that's it about my project. Thank you for listening to my presentation. So goodbye.